Hello friend, my name is Tzvika. I am trading futures for the last 2 years. I learned about future trading with Geva Gazit in his 3-dimension trading course. I love the course and I'm recommended on it. I learned how to operate the trading system, how the market is working, what are the big players are doing and how they trade, when is the best time to enter the market and how to protect my investment from losses and how to maximize my profit. What are the methods of trading and how not to be greedy about the profit. Step by step, lesson by lesson, I was building my confidence with the Geva trading system. I was trading for 3 months with a trading simulator, and I learned that the Geva 3-dimension trading system is working. If you follow the instructions from Geva, you will make some money. Wish all of you a good trade and enjoy the 3-dimension course. Good luck, Tzvika. Bye.